Hi everyone. Today we'll be flying in Cathay Pacific in the Boeing 777-300ER from Hong Kong all the way to New Delhi in India. I had a surprise on board, so please stay tuned and find out what actually happened on this flight as I take you on the journey to India. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you are new here, please do leave a comment as it will help the algorithm recommend this to others. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my flight review on board Cathay Pacific 37300ER from Hong Kong all the way to India. Hi everyone, and we are now in Hong Kong International Airport, and we are going to New Delhi, India. And I will be in India for like 3 weeks. So this is the first leg of the flight, second leg of the flight actually. I came to Hong Kong like yesterday on the 350, which you will see on my video somewhere here, and I'm going to New Delhi today, and I'm going on a Boeing 777-300ER operated by Cathay Pacific. So let's see how the flight is. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe. It's massive. The airport here is massive. I haven't seen this this big of an airport. The issue here will be I have to see where the gate is. Check-in counter is. Once that is done, it should be alright, I guess. Just as I finished off the formalities at the airport, it was time for me to board my flight. I was booked into flying economy class. However, when I scanned my boarding pass at the gate, it didn't allow me to go through. So I wasn't sure what happened. The gate staff told me that I had a seat change. I was initially disappointed about this, as I had opted for an exit row seat in economy class. However, little did I know my disappointment was short-lived, as this was in fact a free upgrade at the gate into the premium economy cabin. I didn't realize it until I saw the seat, which looked pretty much different than what I was expecting. Happy days for me. No problem, no problem. Today we'll be flying a Boeing 777-300ER with the registration Bravo Kilo Quebec Oscar, which was a 10-year-old Cathay Pacific flight, which is at the time of recording. In its fleet, it has 37 of the 777-300ER on their fleet, with 17-300 and it's the world's largest operator Boeing 777-300, and along with an order of 21 779 to be delivered by 2026. On today's flight, there is a total of 368 seats, of which 40 are in business class, 32 in premium economy, and 296 in economy class. economy class, you get a headset, an amenity bag, and an air sickness bag, along with an in-flight magazine and a safety card. Let's now look at the amenity kit, which comes with a pair of socks, a dental kit, earplugs, and a blindfold. You are also given a water bottle and a blanket. As this was the first row of the premium economy cabin, the television screen is located beside the seat, and it offers a variety of entertainment options, including cartoons, cinemas, and series and everything, and you name it. You can also play some games or look at some interesting in-flight maps to see where exactly in the world you are. Shortly after taking off and the leveling off after takeoff climb, the service began on board. As I opted for a pre-selected meal, I was served early on in service for this evening, and this evening I was served a Hindu meal, which was a collection of rice, chicken curry, okras, and rotis, s- uh, served with fruits and raitas. It was a really delicious meal. As we are coming into land, let's have a look back at how the flight was. First of all, I am very thankful for the crew and system for choosing my name up for a great upgrade. It really, really made my day. I am also impressed by the food on board, which tasted absolutely authentic, like the food that we get back in India. Also, the windows were kept open during the flight, which helped me combat the effects of jet lag, which after this flight was very, very minimal, thanks to the fact that the windows were opened rather than being forced to close. The amenities on board were above par, and and I enjoyed the amenities. Also the service on board was excellent. I would like to give this flight a 5-star rating for premium. If you're coming, and if you have a chance to try out the Boeing 57 in premium economy, I would absolutely recommend it.
Welcome to Delhi. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned on. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments as items inside may fall out. Please also check that you have all your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. You may now switch on your personal electronic devices with cellular function. For passengers continuing to other domestic destinations, it is necessary for you to collect your baggage and clear immigration and customs before proceeding to your next flight. All passengers arriving into Delhi are required to have your boarding pass ready for checking by the immigration officer upon arrival. It's been our pleasure to take care of you today. Give Delhi Airport a very warm welcome home. Thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member